Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss on how we can remove, create and edit options from views in Odoo 16. So here I have developed an custom module, and if you go to the custom module here, I have created a tree view for this module, and here you can see the fields that I have defined for this tree view that is given in this view. And now here you can see there is a create option and also an edit option where you can easily edit the records in the tree view. So if you go to the back end of this module here, you can see that I have given the tree view for this module. I have given the model name and review the record ID and the model, that is ir.ui.views. And here if you go to the tree view here, I have given it as editable equal to bottom because as I want the records to be edited in the tree view itself. So now I'll show you how to remove the edit option and the create option from the view. So I'll give it as create equal to false and edit equal to false, that is 0. And after that I'll just run the code. And now I'll go to the front end and I'll just upgrade my custom module. So once I upgrade the custom module from here, I'll go to the module and now you can see the edit option and the create option is removed from the view of my custom module. So this is how you remove the edit and create options from any views in Odoo 16. That all for today. Thank you.